Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 16th, 1918, The Nourishment of Jesus. I felt a great need, and I turned my sorrowful laments to Jesus. And he, all goodness, came out from within my interior, clothed in a garment studded with most refulgent diamonds, and as though waking up from a great sleep and all tenderness, told me,
"My daughter, what do you want? Your laments wounded my heart, and I woke up to answer your needs immediately. You must know that I was inside your heart, and as you were doing your acts, your prayers, the reparations, as you were pouring yourself into my will and were loving me, I took everything for myself, and I used it to nourish myself and to embellish my garment with precious diamonds. This is so true that as you were loving me, praying me, and so on, I did not remain on an empty stomach as if you were doing nothing. I was the one who took everything, since you gave me full freedom. Now, when the soul does this, I cannot rest when she is in need. I make myself all for her. Tell me then, what do you want?"
And I told him my extreme needs, shedding bitter tears to the point of wetting the most holy hands of Jesus. And sweet Jesus clasped me to his heart, pouring a most sweet water from his heart into mine, which refreshed all of me. And then he added,
"My daughter, do not fear, I will be all for you. If creatures will be missing, I will do everything. I will bind you and release you. I will never leave you without me. You are too dear to me. I have raised you in my will. You are part of myself. I will guard you, and I will say to everyone, nobody touch her. Therefore calm yourself, for your Jesus does not leave you."